Hey, what's up everyone? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to our channel. For today's cooking, I'm going to make some Thai green curry. And I'm going to use the store-bought Thai green curry paste to make it at home. The reason is because if we're going to make the Thai curry from scratch, it takes more than 10 different spices and it's going to make the whole process quite complicated. And I want to enjoy cooking at home. I want to simplify things. By doing so, my total ingredient will be something like less than 10 items. So without further delay, let's get started. For today's recipe, the main ingredients will be chicken. So this is basically a Thai chicken green curry. But besides the chicken, I also have some vegetables. I'm having some eggplant, some mushroom, and some long beans cut into short sections. You can always add more vegetables if you like. You can use, for example, besides the eggplant, you can use pumpkin or any other squash. And the mushroom, you can substitute this king oyster mushroom into some other types of mushrooms. And the green bean and the long bean, you can substitute it with green beans or snow peas. It's really up to you. And the other item that is necessary, Thai basil leaves. And also, this is the green curry, the store-bought green curry paste. It looks like that. And lastly, some coconut cream. Since the store-bought green curry paste has all the ingredients required, you don't really need to add any other ingredients. But if you want to enhance the flavor, you can add some fish sauce and some kaffir lime leaves. It is going to give you some extra flavor to the curry. Before we start cooking, let's cut all the ingredients into small pieces, into bite size. And for the chicken, usually we use boneless, skinless chicken in small pieces. You can either use chicken breast or you can use chicken thigh meats. Let's start cooking. Heat some oil in a pan and then add the green curry paste into it to saute until aromatic. And once it turns aromatic, add the chicken. Continue mixing the chicken with the curry paste until the chicken is cooked. When the chicken is nearly cooked, add the vegetables and the mushrooms. Then add some water or chicken broth to form the curry gravy and also add the coconut cream. And if you're able to get a kaffir lime leaf, you can add it now, and also the fish sauce. While cooking the curry, let me share with you how to make the green curry looks better. You know, when we go to the Thai restaurant, sometimes we notice that the green curry is really green. So there are two possibilities. The first possibility is that straightforward, just add some artificial green color. And the second method is more natural. That is to get some basil leaf and then add some water, grind it, and then return it back to the curry, so that this method will greatly enhance the green color of the gravy. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today. This is the basil leaf that I've already washed. And then I'll add some water and blend it together. Now let me put the blended basil back to the pan. Give it a stir. and wait until it comes back to a boil. Taste it to see if I need to add any fish sauce or any additional curry paste. I prefer just to add a little bit extra of the curry paste. The quantity of the curry paste really depends on your preference, whether you want it to be more spicy or a milder version. And it also depends on different brands of the store-bought curry paste. Okay, the curry is ready. That's how to make green curry by using the store-bought green curry paste. I'm using common ingredients such as eggplant, the chicken and beans, and I hope you will love this recipe. And I've left the recipe in the description below the video, and I will also add the recipe at the end of this video so that you can refer. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.